Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, and I have another super fresh trade-in for you guys. What I have here is a 2019 Keystone Cougar 29BHSWE. Super awesome unit, guys. We got two entry doors, exterior speakers, large awning with an LED light strip, outdoor kitchen right here. You got the mini fridge, extra storage, and the flat top grill. And then up front here in the front compartment, we got a lot going on. So in here we have pass-through storage, and right over there, just where you can't see, this trailer is equipped with auto level. Super awesome feature and a tag along, guys. Let's check out the inside. Come on in. All right, up into the Cougar right here. Touch panel controls everything: your slide outs, your HVAC, your lights, all kinds of fun stuff there. Might as well jet right into the bedroom. Brand new mattress in here, guys, ready to go for you. His or hers closets on either side. You do have a roof vent spot you can mount a TV, and I love the little cutout back there. I forgot to mention on the front, there's a full front fiberglass cap, just like what you'd have on the motorhome. Super awesome feature. All right, coming out, we have our pantry, or you could use it as a coat closet. Super awesome area right there, guys. Then, before we get too far, you got pull-out drawers. You could also store some shoes, maybe some bug spray, sunscreen, stuff like that. Tons of counter space, dual stainless steel sink, super awesome. Up top, tons and tons of storage, and down below we have some more pull-out drawers for our cutlery and whatnot. Now, just underneath the sink, great spot for a garbage can. There's actually enough space in there you can sort your garbage. Down here, great size oven, 3-burner cooktop, range hood, and a high point microwave. Over here, you do have the Dometic gas and electric refrigerator. And we do 180 here because, boom, check out that dinette. LED lights underneath it. It will drop down to a bed. You also have storage here. And all these lights here are actually dimmable. There we go. See? Dims right down. Super awesome feature. Over here, couch will come out into a bed. Emergency exit behind that. And then your entertainment area is perfectly placed right behind it. You might be thinking, why is there no drawers down there? That's because your outside kitchen is actually on the other side. Stereo deck for your inside-outside speakers. Huge TV for those rainy days. And some more storage up top. Put tons of games and stuff like that up there. Double over double bunks, and your kids also have a sneak out door. Both bunks do have windows. Roof vent up top, and there's a storage shelf up there, great for like a cup of water or whatnot. And you can slide your bags right up underneath there. Coming into the bathroom, huge vanity, medicine cabinet right where you want it. There also is a door to get in and out. Toilet perfectly placed, tons of space in around here. And then you do have the shallow tub in here, which is good for a small child or a dog. Extra headroom right where you want it. And super awesome bathroom layout. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. Tons and tons of wicked awesome features in it. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.